Hi guys, let's learn the function DATEDIF in Google Sheets. So what this function does, let's learn by an example. So here there are two columns. Just type DATEDIF and the first parameter will be the start date. So start date, select the start date. Second parameter is end date. Okay. If you click on this, you can see the start date, end date, and the third parameter is the unit. Okay, so in which unit you want the difference. Okay, you may find the difference in number of days or number of months or number of years. Let's say we want to find the difference in months, then just type M in double quotes, hit enter, and that's it. It will show you exactly the difference in months between these two dates. Let's say you want in dates, so type D, hit enter, and now drag it, and you will see the difference in number of dates. Let's say you want to find the difference in years only, then just select those two fields and just type Y. And that's it. It will show you the difference in number of years. Thanks for watching. Please do